Because what's happened today? The people worship Jesus and people worship Mary. Hail Mary, and they pray to Jesus. They call Jesus for help. So he's worshiping. They even called Mary Mother of God, Nana ng Diyos. And they made Jesus Christ God. But in the whole Bible, there is no even one verse challenge to all the Christians of the world in the whole Bible. Any Bible. Bible of Catholic, Christian, Jehovah's Witness, Catholic Bible with 73 books, and the Protestant Bible with 66 books. Any Bible of the world. Not one sentence, one verse which says from the mouth of Jesus Christ, and he was saying to the people, I am your God, or I am Son of God. Not even one verse. Challenge. Show me in the whole Bible. Never Jesus called with his mouth to the people, I am God, or to worship me, or I am Son of God. Never. The people said this. So now Allah is demanding to Prophet Jesus on the day of judgment. Did you say to the people to worship me and my mother as two gods beside Allah? And now Jesus will say on the day of judgment to Allah, Qala subhanaka, glorify to you, Ma yakunu li anakula ma laysa li bihaq. I cannot say which I have no right to say, that I am God or I am Son of God. I have no right to say this. Wala ko karapatan na sabihin na ako Diyos at ako yung anak ni Diyos. Hindi ako pwede na sabihin dahil wala ko karapatan na sabihin na ganito. In kultuhu faqad alimta. And in this humbleness of Prophet Jesus, if I say that, then you know this. Ta'lamu ma fi nafsi wa la'alu ma fi nafsika. You know what is in my nafs, in myself, and I do not know what is in yourself. Innaka antal alamul ghuyub. Surely you are the knowing of all hidden, all the ghaib, you know this. Ma qultu lahum illa ma amartani bihi an i'budu Allah rabbi wa rabbukum. Not I said except what you command me to say. Hindi ako sinabi sa kanila maliban na yung ikaw na utos mo sa akin na magsamba kayo kay Allah, Panginoon ko at Panginoon ninyo. Same word in Bible mentioned, what is here in the Quran. Sabi ni Jesus Christ sa Biblia, Shema Israelo, Adonai Elohino, Adonai Ahad. Pakinggan ng Israel, Diyos natin Panginoon, isa lang Panginoon. The same words mentioned in the Quran. Not I say except what you command me to say. Worship Allah, my Lord and your Lord. وَقُلْتَ عَلَيْهِمْ شَهِيدًا مَا دُمْتُ فِيهِمْ. And I was witness upon them as long as I lived with them. فَلَمَّا تَوَفَّيْتَنِي كُنْتَ أَنْتَ الرَّقِيبَ عَلَيْهِمْ. When you take me, that you were the watcher over them, and you are watcher over everything. You are witness over everything. In tu'azzibuhum fa innahu ibaduk. If you worship them to the day of judgment, then they are your slaves. They are your slaves if you punish them. Wa taghfir lahu fa innaka antal azizul hakim. But if you forgive them, then surely you are the Almighty, the All-Wise.